sometimes when we solve equations with variables on both sides, we actually end up with some special cases here. So we're going to go through a couple of those special cases, or those two special cases. And to start out, what we're going to do is just start to simplify. So for both of those, I'm going to distribute on the left side. So I get 28 plus 4v equals 23 plus 4v. And if I draw my line through the equal sign, I need to move my v's to the same side. So it doesn't really matter, because they're the same, if I do minus 4v or minus 4v. So if I subtract 4v on both sides, notice that both of those cancel out, so I'm left with 28 equals 23. On the right side, when I distribute, I get 5m plus 25 equals 25 plus 5m. So when I go ahead and move my variables to the same side here, by subtracting 5m on both sides, my variables cancel there as well. I'm just left with 25 equals 25. Now if you compare the two, the first one I did actually ends up in a false statement, okay, because 28 is not the same as 23. They're not equal. Okay, for the second one, I end up with a true statement because 25 is equal to 25. Okay, so when the variable cancels out and we're left with a false statement, you're going to write no solution. Okay, or you can use the empty set symbol. When the variables cancel out and we're left with a true statement, 25 equals 25, that means all real numbers which you could also write using your capital R with an extra bar. So true statement, all real numbers, I can pick anything I could think of, plug it in, and it should work. No solution if it's a false statement and the variables all cancel and the two things are not equal, it's not possible to solve. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.